Hello, I'm Michael Gordon with E3 Realty.
And I'm Trisha Motter with E3 Realty, and welcome home to 1515 Posho Avenue in Ceres. This adorable single-story home features new updates and an open floor plan.
Nestled in the Hillview Estates community, this home provides the ideal location, and I know you are going to love it once you see inside. Let's go take a look.
Upon entry, you are greeted with updated laminate flooring and direct access to the kitchen, providing copious storage, granite countertops, and abundant light from the kitchen sink window. The direct access to the sizable and open dining room and kitchen pass-through provides the ideal space for entertaining guests and loved ones. The living room with the vaulted ceilings and wood-burning fireplace adorned with brick is the ideal space to cozy up to those relaxing evenings. The large sliding door welcomes you to the luscious backyard. The covered patio is well appreciated to enjoy your outdoor oasis all year round. The vegetation and mature trees are well maintained.
The primary bedroom offers 2 spacious closets and an ensuite bathroom with natural light from the well-placed window. The glass enclosure for the shower stall is well-sized and functional for everyday use. The second and third bedrooms provide roomy closet space and an abundance of natural light. The hall bathroom features a shower over tub. The fourth bedroom can be enjoyed as an additional bedroom or home office. Ceres is a wonderful community. Nearby, enjoy Strawberry Fields Park, Don Pedro Park, and Ceres River Bluff Regional Park to enjoy the outdoors. Conveniently located near shopping and restaurants like the Whitmore Plaza. Enjoy local refreshments at Blaker Brewing and so much more. Come see what makes this home and community so special. Thank you so much for taking the tour with us. Please feel free to call us at the numbers below if you have any questions.
And to virtually explore this home at any time, please visit the property website where you can explore the 3D Matterport, 2D floor plans, photos, and so much more at 1515posho.com.
Thank you so much, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.